Hi friends, now I am going to show you sword bean pod recipe. Sword beans recipe is very rare vegetable. It is available in winter. This vegetable is very tasty. Ingredients: 1 sword beans, 2 chilies, 3 chopped onions, 4 turmeric powder, 5 salt, 6 red chilies, coriander and jeera or homemade red chili powder, 7 garlic cloves, 8 tempering ingredients, 9 oil. Preparation for sword beans recipe: clean sword beans in water. Add some water and boil for 15-20 minutes in a bowl. Add red chilies, coriander and jeera in a cooking vessel. Take some garlic cloves, add red chilies, coriander and jeera in a mixer, powder these ingredients. Heat oil in a cooking vessel. Add crushed garlic cloves, red chilies, tempering ingredients into vessel and sauté for few seconds. Add chopped onions and green chilies. Add the boiled sword beans and combine. Add turmeric powder, salt, made red chili powder. A combination of red chilies, coriander and jeera and garlic. Now the tasty recipes is ready. Turn off heat and serve with rice and any curry of your choice. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.